Okay, next thing we're gonna do is this piece here. This is an air inlet for the oil cooler. I do have a CSF oil cooler in the car right now, but it's Florida. So Kevin with Asphalt Killerz, he made this as the prototype, but this was 3D printed, tested it out, everything's good. Now he's gonna start making them in carbon. The first one will probably go on his car. So I got this from him, so I'm gonna put this in there, send some more air to the CSF oil cooler, give it a hand with cooling the oil during the summer months in Florida. So we'll go ahead over to the car and throw this on real quick. You take that light off first. This is just a driving light, doesn't have a huge purpose other than safety, I suppose. Okay, that light comes out. This bulb, that's how that one installs. There's probably 10 millimeters holding it in here and here. I bet those are posts. So my oil cooler is right there. I can't get past it. Grab this flashlight. Feel the horn here. And the oil cooler goes right up to the horn. But these go back this way. I don't know how this comes off. If that leaves a gap to get in, I don't know if it does. Okay, I think I was going about it the right way. I just need to change my shorts. I changed my shirt. I got to get on the ground. Probably a 10 millimeter on the back because that's what the new one is. Let me grab a 10 and a 12 just in case, and just see what we can do. Probably could have given myself more room. I can feel the light. That means, oh, there it is. Okay, it definitely feels like a 10. Yeah, I think that's an 8. So it's tiny. Okay, let me go grab the 8. This horn, my horn doesn't even work. I should probably just take it out. I should have taken it out. I don't know if I can get it out now. Yeah, so that's an 8. That holds this light in. It's a 8 millimeter. There's 2 of them. One here and one down here. So right, left. Try and break it loose. It is also barely enough room for a hand, so keep that in mind. Sorry for the noise. That's not even... What are we doing here? Okay. First one. Hey, let me get the washer. Okay, now see if I can get to this back one. I can feel the oil cooler, the fins. Oh my gosh. This one's gonna be ridiculously difficult. If I go, okay, it is next to the oil cooler. I can't get this wrench on it though. Remember Inspector Gadget? How he could just be like loose or whatever, like Gumby. That would really do the trick right now. I can get it. I can feel it. I can get the wrench on it. So, but this is gonna take some time. It's already moving though, so it's a good thing. My goodness though, it's gonna take a while unless I can get 8mm socket. That's the way to go in here. This is a tight space. Oh my gosh. Especially when you keep dropping your tool. It's also easier if I put on a lift or even drove up on some ramps. That would have made this job significantly easier as well. And if you don't have a massive CSF oil cooler in here. This is that meme where the girl's asking the guy, where'd you learn to do that thing with your fingers or your hands? This is it. This is where, because the not being able to see and the hand and finger dexterity, so close yet so far. I don't know if I feel like I want to take those off. I didn't realize there was a hole there for a separate hole for the electrical though. Working on the washer. Come on. Washer. Oh. Now to get this little guy out. Okay. Cutting that. Push that through. See if this. I don't want to cut that off. I'll leave that on there. Just gonna tuck it under here. Okay, now these are 10s, I know that. I'll just slide in like this. Ooh, got it. Okay, got the back one in. Hand tightening. I'll be able to get a wrench on this one a little bit easier now. I need to do like 3 threads. Now let's get this front one. Ugh. There we go. Contort my hand, wrist. There we go. Okay, I'm not going to torque it down too much because it's like a rivet nut inside a 3D printed plastic. So let's see if I can get back here. Okay, I think just in time because the card ran out there, card's full. So here's how it looks. Air will flow in obviously to the CSF oil cooler. I do have a rock guard behind that oil cooler, so it doesn't get rocks kicked up, you know, from the tire. But in case you haven't seen one before, looks just like that. And this side will stay like this. I do need to replace the outlet, I think, for the bulb here, because that bulb doesn't come on now. So I think I need to replace that. I put a new bulb in it, but it just doesn't work. So if you ever see a G-body out on the road and it has that on the passenger side, now you know that's for the oil cooler. It does serve a purpose. And there's not one on this side because there's no oil cooler on that side. It's only right here, in front of the front tire.